Hello friends, today we are going to talk of an ancient civilization that has shown remarkable resilience in the face of foreign onslaughts and the vagaries of time. Yes, we are talking of the Mayan civilization that started around 1800 BCE in southern Mexico. The civilization's history reveals the people's wonderful creativity and some shocking practices. Their history can be divided into three periods: pre-classic, that is between 1800 BCE to 250 CE, classic 250 to 900 CE, and post-classic, that is 900 to 1539 CE. Mayan cultural and political influence reached its zenith during the classic period. The Maya realm had 40 plus urban centers with populations ranging from 5,000 to 50,000 and a total estimated population of 2 to 3 million. The Mayans trace their roots back to the inhabitants belonging to the Archaic period who transitioned to settled agriculture. These early settlers likely came from Paleo-Indians who migrated from North Asia to the Americas about 20,000 to 30,000 years ago. The Maya were part of indigenous Mesoamerican peoples in southern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, western Honduras, and western El Salvador. The Maya people are a diverse group united by language and culture. They were part of the larger Mesoamerican cultural area, which included the Olmec, Zapotec, and later the Aztec. The Maya speak about 30 distinct languages from the Mayan language family. The linguistic diversity reflects the complex ethnic composition of the Maya. Genetic studies reveal the Maya's common ancestry with other indigenous Americans, primarily from ancient Siberian populations with some East Asia influence. Maya populations show genetic diversity because of ancient and recent movements. The Maya had a distinct cultural identity with expertise in math, astronomy, calendrical systems, writing, and architecture. Their religious and cosmological beliefs, including cyclical time and blood sacrifice, distinguish them from neighboring cultures. Maya culture and ethnicity have persisted despite environmental pressures, intercity warfare, and Spanish conquest. Approximately 6 to 7 million people of Maya descent live in Central America and southern Mexico today. Mayans embrace both their heritage and modern life. The resilience of Maya ethnicity contributes to Mesoamerica's cultural mosaic and indigenous heritage. The Mayans had sophisticated customs, architecture, and systems. The Mayans had a ceremonial ball game called Pokatok. It went beyond being just a sport. The game had two teams attempting to hit a rubber ball through a stone hoop using their hips, forearms, or thighs. Human sacrifice was sometimes linked to the game, particularly for the losing team or captains as offerings to the gods. Human sacrifice was crucial in Mayan rituals to please gods and sustain the world. Sacrifices were performed by Mayans during significant events and droughts. Typically, captured warriors were victims, with the heart being the primary offering. Bloodletting was a significant practice for nobles and royalty, involving piercing their bodies to offer blood to the gods. The purpose of this act was to communicate with the divine and maintain cosmic order. Common methods involved piercing tongues, earlobes, and genitals. The Mayans shaped infant skulls by binding them with cloth or wooden boards. The practice represented social status and beauty. Elongated heads indicated nobility and intelligence. Mayan elites commonly underwent dental modification. They modified their teeth with points or precious stones. The practice was both decorative and a sign of social status. Cenotes or natural sinkholes were sacred entrances to Xibalba or the place of fright. Mayans used cenotes for rituals, including offerings and sacrifices. The Mayans used calendar systems for agriculture, religion, and ceremonies. They used the long count calendar to date historical events and track longer periods of time. The Mayans used hieroglyphic writing to document their history and knowledge. Their inscriptions offer insights into their complex society. Mayans had complex burial customs, particularly for the elite. Offerings like pottery, jade, and food were commonly buried with the dead. Decorated high ranking tombs often featured murals illustrating the disease, life, and journey to the afterlife. Mayan cities had observatories like the Caracol at the Chichen Itza to track celestial events. Their advanced knowledge of astronomy affected agriculture, religion, and architecture. These customs reflect the Mayan civilization's deep connection with religion, nature, and cosmos. Some Mayan artifacts and monuments survived despite the destruction of most books. It was a highly influential and sophisticated society ruling over the Yucatan Peninsula and parts of Central America for 2000 years. The Mayans excelled in architecture, mathematics, astronomy, and writing. The Mayan languages originated from a common Proto-Mayan ancestor. Their script combined logographic symbols for words and syllabic symbols for syllables. The writing system was highly advanced in pre-Columbian Americas. It captured a wide range of topics on different forms of art. The script underwent many changes, but the classic Maya civilization developed a writing system with over 1000 symbols. Epigraphers have decoded over 90% of classic Maya texts, unveiling one of the world's oldest written languages. Maya society had strict divisions among nobles, commoners, serfs, and slaves. The ruling elite and hereditary nobility controlled the power and wealth. Below them were various classes of scribes, warriors, merchants, artisans, architects, and technicians, followed by commoners who worked as farmers, hunters, and gatherers. Serfs and slaves captured in warfare occupied the lowest social rank. Maya rulers claimed the divine right to rule through their connections to gods. The king had supreme authority but was advised by a council of lords and influential members. Limited social mobility hindered class integration. The classic Mayans made impressive contributions in architecture, mathematics, astronomy, and calendrics. Maya architecture and urban planning are epitomized by their unique stepping pyramids in massive temple sites. The structures were made without metal tools, wheels, or animals. They used the corbel arc technique to construct large multi-level buildings. In mathematics, they developed the concept of zero and used a base 20 numerical system centuries before similar innovations were found elsewhere in the world. The Mayan calendar was highly accurate before the modern era. It combined a 260-day ritual cycle and a 365-day solar year, ensuring each day had a distinct name every 52 solar years. They developed advanced astronomical systems to track Venus and lunar cycles and calculate solstices and equinoxes. The Mayans have a nature-based religion tied to the calendar and agriculture. Their gods were associated with natural phenomena and human activities. Mayan rulers performed bloodletting rituals to renew the covenant, as they were considered descendants of the gods. Animal and human sacrifices were part of religious ceremonies in temples, pyramids, and palaces. Blood sacrifices fueled and regenerated the gods, who rewarded with abundant rains crucial for agriculture. The Mayan world had three parts: the heavens, the human world, and the underworld. Mayan religious practice aimed to avoid droughts, famine, and other disasters by appeasing gods. Mayan urban architecture features palaces, pyramids, ceremonial platforms, and temple structures grouped together. La Danta, a pyramid larger than those in Egypt, including Giza, is one of the world's largest. Central plazas served as marketplaces, ball game fields, and venues for rituals and gatherings. The structures were built on raised stone platforms with painted plaster surfaces. The buildings have a unique style with steep angles, inset corners, colonnades, and adorned with masks or statues of rulers. Mayan cities had sacred precincts with temples and palaces arranged symmetrically. Scientific alignments marked important astronomical events. The structures were decorated with vibrant frescoes and stucco surfaces depicting gods, humans, animals, glyphs, lattice designs, and geometric shapes. Valued materials like jade, volcanic glass, shells, and feathers were used alongside ceramics, bone, and wood in crafting jewelry and goods. The Mayans were skilled astronomers. They accurately tracked lunar months, solar years, and the Venus cycle. Monuments were built to mirror astronomical events. Many Mayan monuments have an astronomical connection. Pyramids show light patterns tied to seasons, crucial for farming. The Chichen Itza pyramid has 91 steps on each of its four sides to represent the 91 days of the four seasons. These count as 364 steps, plus the top platform, totally 365 steps in a year. A long head was prized for attractiveness and status in Mayan culture. Head flattening was preferable. The Mayans would shape their children's skulls for elongation. They adorned their teeth with gemstones. Some of the included minerals are turquoise, cinnabar, quartz, jadeite, hematite, iron pyrite, etc. Mayans found crossed eyes attractive. Their elite wanted their children to be cross-eyed. A popular method involved hanging a thread between babies' eyes to help them focus. The Mayans admired enormous noses. They used artificial nose bridges to alter their noses. They were exceptional tattoo artists. Tattoos featured intricate designs, often of animals and gods. Tattoos represented social status, religious power, and skill. Piercing held importance. Stingray spines were commonly used to ceremonially pierce the tongue. Blood and pain were regarded as offerings to the gods. Both men and women had intricate hairstyles with feathers, flowers, and jaguar skins. Men would burn hair layers to achieve an attractive receding hairline. Elaborate hairstyles indicated higher social standing. Mayan economy relied on agriculture. Different environmental zones saw cultivation of maize, beans, and chili peppers. A network of roads facilitated trade in various terrains. Canoes were the simplified long distance travel and goods transport. Luxury trade items included various minerals, feathers, skins, rubber, cacao beans, and ceramics. They were bartered for necessities like maize, cloth, firewood, and slaves. Markets in plazas distributed goods from both coasts. Wealth and power grew in gateway cities, becoming influential capitals. Mayans fought for political control, economic gain, captives, and dominance. The rulers led the warfare with nobles and warriors. The conflicts varied from raids to large-scale engagements to subjugate rival cities. Weapons included various types of spears, bows, clubs, axes, daggers, and rudimentary swords. Warriors wore padded cotton armor, carried religiously decorated shields, and bore identity asserting standards. Captives often faced human sacrifice rituals. Nobles from different city states formed alliances and fostered economic cooperation through dynastic marriages. Supporting cities, elected rulers would take part in crowning ceremonies to legitimize power transfer. In the early 4th century, people began leaving cities. Around 900 CE, the civilization collapsed. Southern lowland cities were abandoned, polities collapsed, or populations dispersed widely. Classic Mayan society's institutions dissolved completely within 250 years. Researchers have linked the collapse of social structures to factors like climate change induced droughts, environmental degradation, famine, warfare, peasant uprisings, and political instability. The combination of overfarming, soil degradation, and climate shifts led to food shortages and social unrest. The Maya civilization excelled in architecture, mathematics, astronomy, calendars, and hieroglyphic writing. Their urban planning, irrigation systems, and dense population matched Egypt and China despite lacking wheels or metal tools. The Maya showcased innovation and creativity through their intellectual achievements, complex cosmology, and cultural sophistication. Around 6 million Maya descendants preserved their culture across Mesoamerica. The Maya's rich legacy unfolds as countless archaeological sites await exploration.